You're either a new realtor or maybe you're a struggling realtor who's been in the business for a while, but you're trying to figure out, how do I get more business? How do I prospect? That's what this video of 2 yeses and 1 no is all about, how to prospect for success. But the first thing I want to say before I even jump into this, whatever way you choose to prospect, the key to it has always been consistency. Whatever you choose to do, you have to be consistent throughout. So for the first yes you could do something more traditional. It doesn't cost you a lot of money, and that would be like door knocking, asking for business. There's a way of doing that. I can show you that. There's open houses, and there's cold calling people as well. You can do that, or just calling your database and asking for business if there's a certain way you do it. And then the second yes is something a little more expensive, or could be, but a little more innovative. You can do podcasts, you can do videos like I'm doing now, lots of social media, do social media ads, or think outside the box, maybe do different types of events for people that's also a yes. But the no is, no, don't do prospecting in which you don't feel comfortable with. Don't do prospecting which you would hate if somebody would contact you that way. I find that people just do something consistently because they've seen other people do it, but they don't like it themselves. If you don't like it themselves, or if you don't like to be sold that way, then why are you doing it for other people? So that's my word of advice. Don't do some sort of prospecting which you wouldn't like to be prospected if you're on the other side being prospected too. Have a good day.